Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall iCloud photos on Windows 11 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall iCloud photos on Windows 11, first, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left of your screen. In the search bar, type Apps and Features and press Enter. Once the Apps and Features window opens, scroll down to find iCloud. Click on iCloud to select it. You will see an option that says Uninstall. Click on Uninstall to initiate the removal process. A confirmation window will appear, asking if you are sure you want to uninstall iCloud. Click Yes to proceed. The iCloud Setup Wizard will open. In the Setup Wizard, select the option to uninstall iCloud. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Once the process is finished, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restarting, iCloud photos should be completely removed from your system. If you encounter any issues, you can always check if any files or settings remain. To do this, go to File Explorer and check under this PC for any remnants of iCloud. If you find any leftover folders, you can manually delete them for a thorough cleanup. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled iCloud photos from your Windows 11 device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.